guys, I'm going to do a Dollar Tree haul, and I do have some other products I'm going to show you too that I've been ordering from Amazon, and we'll go through those in a minute too. I got rushed like crazy with with the car situation I told you about last night. I thought I was going to go in my own vehicle. We got to pick up my car and there was a flat tire, so needless to say I was with Jimmy, and I didn't have the time that I usually spend to look around or to do a shop with me. I saw these, and I am getting my craft stuff and everything really organized on these shelves, and I thought these kind of bags would be nice if I had decoupage items that I wanted to put in there that I cut out of magazines. And yes, I know this has been this has been a rough week. I have to get my nails back. I've been painting. That's paint under them. It's a mess. It's a mess. We'll get back to it. I have to do my nails. They're actually stained from paint I was using. I'm going to put on a new set of these flamingos. They were really nice. But everything is like dyed blue now because I've been using different products. But anyway, so these I thought were really neat, and so yeah, I could put things in there semi-waterproof too, right? Because this. So if they were paper, or some people use napkins or fabric things, fabric samples, not fabric, fabric swatches or whatever I was going to use to decoupage fabrics, I could put them in these zippered pouches, and they're nice and large. So yes, I'm so sad that you didn't see my flamingos when they were nice, but I'm going to put on another set of them. So I got these. And of course, now here it comes. So, all right, then I picked up, these are these Yes To masks. These have been in $1 and stuff that I've seen. There are three masks in here for $1. My daughter likes these, so I figured I'd get her one and me one and check them out. There's three different kinds. There's one to hydrate, one to detox, and one to recharge. So you get a ultra hydrating mud mask, you get a detoxifying charcoal mud mask, and then you get a recharging Greek yogurt and probiotics mud mask. Now, speaking of decoupaging, I usually don't use napkins. I know a lot of people do, but I saw these and I thought, well, I know Lisa is going to do the decoupage for us and show us what to use, and there was different things, and napkins are some of the things that you use. So I just thought these kind of cute. There's a different dog there on that one. No, they're all the same, right? Okay. I don't know what I was saying. So those were cute. I figured maybe for something, or if not, they go in the guest bath. And then turtles. Just thought that was pretty. Maybe use that on something. And like I said, these pouches can easily hold stuff like that. Okay. I got these labels because I got those Bella containers, but they only came in opaque. So these will tell me easily what's in them. Pick those up. You get $6.50 in there. Now we're going to start making some slime. I'm going to do some slime videos. So I wanted to have a spatula just for slime. I'm going to write with a marker that this is the slime spatula. All right. And I picked up these. They had these, and I know people are probably using these a lot. At first I thought it was a mason jar. It's probably really easy to make into a mason type jar for writing. This one I'm going to keep like it is because I do like it, and it's black. They had some white ones there, and the white ones were all like dirtied, but they didn't have this, I don't think it was glitter paint, but I said, wow, you could repaint those and put a lot of different things on them, and that's exactly what I saw one of people doing when I got home. But I only picked up this one, but they had a lot of these in orange and white. This was the only one that was left in the black. I picked up some of these for the slime we're making, so picked up 2 of the Barbasol, and then I saw, to make scented slime, this raspberry mist and raspberry mist.
What else will you need?
Huh?
What else will you need to make that?
Farmer's glue. And then you have to use a liquid soap. Okay, you have to use a hand soap. So this one is perfectly pink, and I think it may, you see I got the wrong one. There was one that was scented, it said grape scented or something, purple scented. But this may be nice because it may dye the slime a little bit. I don't know, we'll see.
I'm gonna go down and check food.
Okay, Jimmy came in and decided to try one of these. These are the drain rooters. So they go down and get lovely hair clogs, right? Picked up another one of these. Remember I told you, I don't know if I told you. Well, yeah, Jimmy did show you on a thing that they say they come in black and stainless. I got another stainless. And I told you that. Jimmy said they were really good. I should have picked up another one up for my daughter, but whoops. You push it, it swirls up. It's great for anything from the kids making chocolate milk or stirring things up. Omelets, it says cakes, pancakes, whipped cream, powdered drinks, smoothies, cocos, dressings. And it's not a Dollar Tree, manufactured item. It's actually manufactured by a company out of Newport Beach, California. So it's the Quick Whisk Mini. If you see these, pick one up. You'll probably like it. If not, you can give it as a gift or something. Okay. Okay, so now I always need these, so I picked those up. I need this for my project now, which I'm going to do in a minute. My T-card. I couldn't find my wire brushes even though I have thousands of them, so I picked those up. And I picked up a big one. I picked up some more jute. I picked up some, what is this, coconut water and mango. I don't use this on my hands. This is for slime. I picked up these. I need them for ASMR. I picked up these to put slime in. I picked up this for ASMR. Okay. And then let's go to the Bella containers. So now these were by Bella, like I said. These are something that I haven't, I've only, since I've seen these, I've only been to one Dollar Tree, so I have to see if the other ones have them. But they had all different colors of these. I wanted the Tilly color, but the Tilly ones were all like dirty. They had something on them. So these are gray. I know a lot of people would do the farmhouse theme in them. Very nice. These are, they have like a hand-hammered kind of look to them, but great to put, I'm going to be, like I said, getting those shelves for like crafting so that you can see with the open containers, and then you can put a label on the outside for what you have there. So I picked up several of these. Let's see. I have 4 gray. And then this color, whoops, this color here, which is like a, I don't know, It's not a peach. It's not a pink. What the heck is it? I don't know. And then a pale pink. That's a pale pink. Okay, so I picked up a bunch of those. And like I said, great for like, I can just put like slime making ingredients. And, you know, have that on the shelf. Oops. Right? Okay, it's easy to get. You can tote it along and put it back when you're done. So I picked up those. And then I also picked up, I showed you the last time the Bella containers I got just like this. And I told you I didn't know if they were going to be a regular item, and I don't think that the clear ones are unless they don't have them. They have them in this opaque, which I don't like as much. You know, when you're using them for open bins, they look almost, they're very good quality. Hold on. Okay, especially for the dollar store. They kind of look like those toy bins that are on those shelving units. So it would be nice with the different colors. They have lots of colors to use them like that. I do like, but they're very sturdy. And I do like the clear ones I have. Well, they're clear, they're tinted clear. I got blue and green, and they actually had pink at times. And then again, they're Bella. So I don't know if this is a brand that just this, somebody said no, their dollar store has them too. They're like that they are made in the USA. They're really nice. So I hope that they keep stocking these wherever they're getting from, and it's not just like a pallet closeout or something. They all have tops. Okay. So hang on a minute. Okay, so they have tops here. And that's why I also got the labels. And you can stack them. You can nest them. But yeah, they look, I mean, like sometimes teachers or stuff, if they're trying to get their classroom, they like the open colors because you're going to see, and you can use them for open storage. So I did pick them up. I got them in this color. And they have the gray. And then this is the Tilly or the Spog, not the Spog, more of the Spog green color that I wanted to get the other containers in. So I got them here. But that's all to put items like slime containers. And then I picked up the larger brush, which I'm going to use on my project right now, the wire brush. What else? I know there's more. Oh, I picked up some more of the brownie, Mr. Brownies. 4 of those, 5 of those, 4 of those. And I don't know, guys, that might be it for that, but I want to show you, I'm going to show you some other products here in a second. Let me get this stuff back here. I need this. I need that. Okay.